Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP in spot and on leverage in the United States. So in order to buy XRP in the United States, you can use this platform that is named as bluefin.com. I will put the link of it down in the description so that you could come to the legit website. Plus, you will get some of the additional benefits if you create your account with my link. Currently, on Bluefin, 100,000 prize pool is going on. So you can also participate into that by creating your account with my link. Now, once you are on blowfin.com, you just have to simply click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen and create your account over here. Now, Blowfin is a place where you don't need to actually complete your KYC and you can start trading. So here you just have to click on the spot option if you want to buy XRP in spot. After doing so, you just have to simply select the XRP slash USDT pair. So here you just have to click on BTC slash USDT, which will be default. Then you need to select XRP slash USDT. Over here, you will be able to see the XRP chart. So here you can just use your trading skills and you can mark this chart. And here in the right hand section, you just have to simply select it as buy, and you can select the market order and the limit order and provide the amount of XRP that you want to purchase. Then you just have to simply import some then you just have to simply deposit some USDT in your account and place the order. So this way you will be able to buy XRP in spot in the United States. Now similar is the case with the futures. So you need to click on futures in the top and then you need to click on futures again. Afterwards, it will open the future charts in front of you, where again you need to click on this BTC slash USDT pair, and in the all section you just have to select XRP slash USDT. Then in the right hand section you can select it as cross or isolated. So if you are a complete beginner, I would recommend you to go with the isolated option. Then you can select the leverage, and here you need to enter the amount of XRP that you want to purchase. Then you just have to simply click on the buy option and your order will be placed and you will be able to buy XRP. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.